You're good, dude. Don't quit it.
警官が盗難の疑いがある車を発見。その車を調べていると突如現れた少年。当初は俺の車じゃねえ、ただのガヤかと思いきや実はこいつの車だったんだ。最初から素直に話していたらこんなことにならなかったのにな。
So the reason why you're coming over here?
No, I'm just admiring it. It's a nice car. See the wheels? Real nice. Just admiring it.
And you can keep on going then.
Hey, it's not illegal to be in a public space.
You can go ahead and start me a tow, please. I'm at Target for a black Honda Civic.
Look how nice and shiny this dude's wheels are. This thing looks slow, man. You waiting for something?
I'm towing the car.
Why?
Because it's got no plates and the VIN's covered. Not yours, huh? No idea?
Look at me like I'm doing something wrong.
You're chilling in a public spot, man. You can do whatever you want.
I know.
Cool.
Man, this cop's trying to tow this random dude's car. What a shame.
Yep, what a shame.
It's gonna be real expensive for that guy.
Yeah, I guess so.
You wanna get your nasty ass shoe off that rim?
Is this your car, man?
この対応した警官、わざとホイールに足をかけて反応を確かめたんだ。自分の車じゃないって言っていたが、ピカピカのホイールいいだろとも言っていた。自分の車だけど認められない。認めてしまうとなんか切符を切られてしまうかもしれないからな。だからこいつが一生懸命に磨き上げたピッカピカのホイールにわざと靴を乗っけてみたんだ。そしたら見事に引っかかってくれたな。これで警官は確信が持てた。
Because we can like solve this real quick just by you opening the car, removing the VIN. But you shoved the paper in the VIN. I can't read the VIN. It's got no plates, so I'm assuming it's stolen. So per RCW, I gotta seize it, get a search warrant, remove that, and read the VIN.
Hear me out. Is there a black two-door Honda Civic with white wheels and a aftermarket wing reported as stolen?
There's 1,000 stolen cars a month in Pierce County, bud.
The answer
And this
no.
is the most common
The
stolen
answer is
vehicle in
no.
Pierce County.
The answer is, why don't you just uncover it yourself?
I can't. It's inside the car.
What a shame.
What a shame.
What a shame.
So if this is your car, we can go ahead and solve this crisis. But if you're not going to claim ownership of this, then just...
Why would I claim ownership of a car that's got a cop that's 100% going to hand out tickets?
Right. That being said, it's going to come to the Gay Car Police Department. We're going to go ahead and seize it on a search warrant.
Seize it on a search warrant for what? What are you searching it for?
To uncover the VIN.
For what? Do you have any suspicion of it being stolen other than no plates and a covered VIN?
Absolutely.
What's your suspicion of it being stolen, officer?
Hey man, is this your car or what? Dude, you're making this so much harder than it needs to be.
You're f***ing towing it for no reason. You got your nasty ass shoe on the f***ing wheel.
Yeah?
Get your f***ing shoe off the wheel.
Is this your car?
You're being disrespectful to whoever's f***ing car it is.
Okay, you need to back off my face. Go over there.
I'm not in your face. You just stuck your f***ing hand in my face.
Bud.
Bud,
chill.
Get your f***ing... Why is your foot on the wheel? Why are you doing that? You're literally doing that to piss me off for no f***ing reason.
Cause it's your car?
Doesn't matter.
お前の彼女失笑してるじゃねえか。警官とお前のやりとりを見ててお前のことが恥ずかしくなっちゃったんだろうな。なんでこんなやつと付き合ったんだろう私って。まあこいつよりもっといい男世の中にいっぱいいるよ。
Is this your car or what?
You're gonna scratch those f***ing wheels and have to pay for them.
Yeah. Alright, go ahead and walk
Well,
over
I don't know what policy is. Your department's probably gonna have to f***ing pay for these $1,000 wheels.
Yeah, go ahead and walk over there, bud.
Keep your f***ing hand out of my face.
Walk over there.
Keep your f***ing hand out of my face.
Walk. Walk. Get out of my face. Go.
You're walking in my face.
Go before you get...
Don't f***ing touch me.
Go.
I'm not doing
Get off my scene. Get away from my car. Go.
This ain't your car.
Go.
Your car's back there.
I'm getting up for a search warrant. Start moving.
You are approaching me. You are getting in my face.
Move back.
Get your f***ing hand off me.
Stay in the car.
Arrest me or don't. Keep your mother f***ing hands off me.
Stay off the car.
Keep your mother f***ing hands off me.
Stay off the car.
Off the car? You're the one that was on the f***ing car. I ain't touching it. I'm off the car.
Back up.
I'm f***ing back.
Okay. Back up.
Start recording this. Touch me again, motherfucker. Come push me.
Back off.
Come push me. F***ing pushing me for no goddamn reason. You're putting your hands in my face.
Yep.
I kept my phone back respectfully. I wasn't sticking it in your face. I got your name and that was it.
So like I was saying, this car is coming to the Gay Car Police Department. If you're not going to claim ownership of it, what's going to happen is we're going to get a search warrant.
Shoving me. Why would I want to fucking make it easy on you?
Okay, anyways, we're gonna get a search warrant to remove the cover from the VIN, and if it comes back stolen, we'll deal with it. If not, we'll come back to the last person who has ownership, give them the call to come pick it up. If that ain't you, you ain't getting the car back, alright?
Sick.
Cool.
So, I'm just going to repeat what you said real quick to make sure I understand.
Yep.
Okay. You are going to get a search warrant.
Yep.
Which means you call whoever you have to call, and then they say, yes, you can open the door, move the piece of paper, correct?
Correct.
Or do you have to tow it first?
You gotta tow it first. Per an RCW, sir.
So, I think I'm gonna visit you. Get a supervisor down here. Since you were shoving me for no reason.
Yeah.
Get your come on, call a supervisor.
Yeah. I could do that for you, but first I'm gonna need you to back away from the vehicle.
No, I'm gonna need you to call a supervisor.
Well, I ain't gonna help you out right now.
You are legally required to call your supervisor if requested.
Not correct.
Get your supervisor down here.
I will when you back up.
I have not committed any crime. I am back.
Okay.
You shoved me back. I am back.
So here's what's gonna happen. One, I'm not gonna do your request until I get a second unit down here because I'm guarding the door from you getting in it. That's why I'm pushing you back away from it, because you keep trying to get near the door. Two, when a second unit comes here, I will call you a supervisor. But until I get a second unit down here, you're not getting a supervisor.
Are you serious?
I'm absolutely serious.
There's your second unit. Call a goddamn supervisor. Oh, what? You could stand still and call the supervisor, but you can't do it because you're standing in front of a door.
Yep.
Oh, all of you guys. You guys got nothing better to do than harass people for no goddamn reason.
Yep.
Look at this dumbass. He doesn't even know how to park a car.
今ドンって音が聞こえて車が揺れなかったか、わざとなのかどうか知らないがやっちまったな。これを知ったら持ち主は激怒するだろうな。でもお前は怒らねえよな。持ち主じゃないもんな。
Are you fucking serious? Are you fucking serious?
Anyways, he says it's not his car, but he's acting like it's his car.
This stupid motherfucker just ran into my car for no reason.
Oh, it is your car. Okay.
Hit my car.
All right, come here.
Are you fucking serious?
Come here. So now it's your car, right?
Oh yeah.
All right, listen.
Arrest me.
なんだ、やっぱりおめえの車だったんじゃん。だったら早く言えよ。全然わからなかったよ。そりゃ自分の車が目の前でぶつけられたら怒るのも無理ねえよな。
So it's a gross misdemeanor to cover up your VIN like that. You understand?
I literally just got it back.
Okay, let's go ahead and see some ID now.
I don't have my wallet or anything.
Okay, what's your name?
For what? What crime have I?
It is a gross misdemeanor to cover up your VIN.
I'm not the one that covered it.
It's your car, right? What's your name?
Cody.
Cody what? Cody, what's your birthday, Cody?
2005.
What's the rest of your birthday?
Oh, you
What?
Cody.
In my car! What do you mean what?
Continue?
Continue what? I'm not committing a crime.
Committing a
Raising my voice is not committing a crime.
Cody, you're being detained. You're not free to leave. How you doing?
Good. Yeah, thanks for your service.
Yeah, no problem. I'm a little busy right now, but I appreciate it.
Sure. Yeah, I imagine you're a Trump supporter?
No comment.
All right.
He wanted to talk to you, but I think you already got that far.
Yeah. Is that my ticket?
No, this is the law in which we are seizing your vehicle for. So you're not getting this back. We are seizing it. We are going to uncover the VIN with a search warrant. We'll give you a call back if need be, but you're free to go from here. If it comes back stolen, you've been contacted for stolen vehicle in the past. We know where to come find you. Yes, you have. I looked up the report.
No, the I haven't. For what?
For black Honda Civic from Pierce County.
Okay, that I can actually. 1 second, I will call you right back. Check my center console. I give full consent.
Going in there without a search warrant.
There is a business card from an officer.
Yeah.
I got pulled over. The officer said it was coming up as stolen. By the way, did not hit my car when he did that. Okay.
Okay.
He said the car's coming up as stolen. This was right after I purchased it from an auction. They called in. I don't know who they called. I'm not a cop. Okay. They called, got it cleared up. That was this car. It was previously stolen, got towed. The title got written over to the tow company, and then I purchased it from an auction. So no, I have not been contacted about a stolen car.
Listen, I'm just going this route, all right? That's the route we're going to go with. You could have cooperated about 20 minutes ago when you walked up.
Suck my
All right.
This stupid hit my car, and now it's getting
Town and Country?
Oh, that's
レッカー車が到着してあとはレッカーするのみと思ってたら招かれざる客がこのクソガキの系譜が現れたんだ。お前が来たところでどうにもなんねえぞって感じだが、こいつもこいつですごい。カエルの子はカエルってことがよくわかる。
Okay, we're towing the car. I need you to back off. Because the VIN's covered. Back
I'm
up.
on fucking.
Okay,
no,
that's
I'm
great.
on
The
public
tow
property.
truck is coming right here. I need
Okay.
you to move. Back up.
You don't need to touch me.
Get away.
Hey, he was
Go.
having the same issue touching
Go.
me.
I'm asking a motherfucking
Move.
question,
The
okay?
tow truck is blocking. You're blocking the tow
Cool.
truck. Go.
Don't fucking touch me, dude.
Go. Go.
He's touched me fucking multiple times. Don't fucking touch me.
Get out. Okay, turn around. Put your arms right back.
Are you fucking serious? Dog, are you for real? I'm trying to figure out what the purpose is for you guys
Nothing to do
fucking
with you.
towing.
You're under arrest this time.
Oh shit. You're good, dude. Don't quit it.
Is he being arrested or detained?
Yes, he's being arrested. You got anything illegal on you?
Do I what?
Anything illegal on you? Any drugs, contraband, weapons?
I have a torch in my pocket.
Torch. So real quick, you're being audio and video recorded. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You understand all that?
Yes.
What's your name?
Justin.
Justin.
Yeah.
What's your relationship here?
It's my stepkid.
Stepkid.
Yes.
Okay, all this could have been simply avoided just by uncovering a VIN and explaining why the VIN's covered. Now we gotta seize it because we have to think it's stolen. The VIN's covered, it's got no plates. What I tried to explain, why
The
it's getting
plate's not
towed.
still in it?
There's no plates on it.
In the trunk. There's not a plate in the trunk. No.
Okay?
Is
It's
the
a Honda
registration-
Civic. Look at me, Justin.
I know. I work
It's a
on
Honda
the mechanic.
Civic, right? Most commonly stolen vehicle.
Yes,
Yes, see? Shake up and down. All this could have been avoided with just a little bit of cooperation. Now, when I tell you to get out of the way, the tow truck's coming because I got to seize this vehicle, you need to get out of the way. Not sit here and keep arguing with me, blocking the tow truck and blocking me from doing my job. That's why you're under
Answer my
arrest.
fucking question.
Why is the car getting towed?
Yeah.
Because the VIN is covered.
Is that really that hard to say?
Is that my job to explain to you? Why are you here?
Have fun explaining this to my sister. The fact that I'm not making my flight now.
Come on over here. I thought you looked familiar. You've been staying out of trouble for a while. 6, I got one customer. Is he gonna make it? Sitting there talking to the guy. Hey, man, this is your car.
Yeah.
Just uncover the VIN.
Yeah.
Hey, stay away from the tow truck driver. Let him do his job.
最後までかっこいい姿を見せてくれてお疲れさん。結局このガキは車をレッカーされた。レッカーされた車を調べて盗難車じゃないことが確定した。きちんと買ったんだな。偉い。でも車内を捜索すると見つかっちゃったんだ。少量のマリファナと喫煙用のパイプ。舞台となったワシントン州ではマリファナの所持は合法なんだが、年齢が21歳以上に限られている。この事件が起こったのは2025年3月29日。クソガキの生年月日は2005年。あれれ、おっかしな。どうやっても20歳にしかならねえぞ。ってことでマリファナ不法所持の罪に問われた。あと問題のやつがもう一人いたよな。クソガキの系譜。父親の威厳を見せてやるってのこのこと現れて邪魔してきた愚か者。こいつはシンプルに公務執行妨害で逮捕。最後に飛行機に乗る予定だったのにと泣き言をつぶやいていたが、おめえがやったことの結果だからな。しっかりと反省してくれ。